Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 11, 2022, 4-star Sudoku, 4th grade. 5 numbers are remaining: 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. 6th row, 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 7th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7, 9. 5th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, column I, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. 8th row and 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row, that is column D, we have 5. So 5 can come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row, column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B and 2nd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. 3rd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, 2nd row, we have 3. 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column I, 4th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. We can confirm one also here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column E, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column J, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Fourth row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. 6th grade, we already have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 5th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. 9th row, we have 4 and 5, so 4 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, 10th row, and column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 7th grade, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 8th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7, 8. Column F, column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. 8th row, we have 7 and 8, so 7 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. 7th row, we have 6 and 8, so 6 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 2nd row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column G, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column G, We already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column G, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.